Hey everyone, today we're going to make chicken with bitter melon. The ingredients you'll need is bitter melon, chicken, salt, chicken stock, and black pepper. Lemongrass is optional. First off, we're going to start with a boiling pot of water while we prepare everything else. We want to make sure the water level is equal to the amount of chicken and bitter melon, and place it on high while we prepare the chicken and the bitter melon. I like to prepare the vegetable first before I do the meat, just because it doesn't make the cutting board all nasty and meaty. First, we're going to cut the bitter melon in half, and there's seeds in the inside, so we're going to use a spoon to carve out the seeds. Next, we're going to want to slice it at an angle and diagonal. Next, we'll prepare the chicken. So the chicken is already pre-cut when I first bought it from H Mart. I cut the chicken in half so that it would fit in a Ziploc bag. I like to cut the wings in half, and you have to find it at a joint so that it's easier to cut in between the joints. And I like to throw that part away. Again, we're gonna find the joint and cut where the joint's at. I'm eating by myself, so I'm going to cut the pieces in smaller pieces, whereas regularly I would just cut it like that and then it'd be done. But now I'm gonna find another piece and just cut it because, again, I'm by myself. This part, usually I just leave it like that too, but then again, I like to make it smaller. And this breast part, we're going to cut in half at the bone and cut that piece in half. Next, we're going to cut the breast. Usually I just cut it in threes, but I'm going to cut it into many more pieces so that it's smaller. Remove the nasty residue from the chicken broth and put it aside to discard. Next, we're going to add the chicken stock in and the salt. Later on, whenever the chicken is fully cooked, you can take a spoon and taste the liquid to see if it's to your level of saltiness that you would like. Stir it to get the flavors mixing. Next, once it's fully cooked, we add in the bitter melon. And stir it around so that the bitter melon could cook in and soak in with the chicken. Let it sizzle for a good 5 to 10 minutes until the bitter melon is soft, and it'll look like this, and you can add black pepper in towards the end when it's all finished. Thank you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed my video.